Good day, students. Welcome to Advocate Bapu Sahib Bhonde High School, Lonavala. Subject English 2. Myself, Teacher Arpana Borkar. I have come up with a new video of English 2 subject. Topic for today is story writing. Students, you all like stories and also have learned in previous chapter how to write story. Let's start with your new story today. Students, we can see some images. So students, from these images, you must have understood that what is the story about. Yes. So students, let's read out the outline given below. A boy falls into a bad company. Father wants to teach his son the importance of good company. Gives his son a few good apples. Also places a rotten apple among them. After few days, the rotten apple spoils the good ones. The child understands. Moral. So students, let's begin with the story writing. Once a boy fell into bad company. He mixed with bad boys and wasted his time. It pained his father. He tried his best to set him right, but to no use. So students, here there was one boy and he fell into a bad company. Fell into a bad company means he had bad friends. He mixed with bad boys and wasted his time. So students, he mingled with bad boys and all the whole time he wasted. It pained his father. Now, because the son was wasting his time, not studying, not eating food, not listening to parents, so it pained his father. He tried his best to set him right, but to no use. So student, his father tried many things, making him understand that not to mingle with bad boys, not to keeping bad friends, but it was of no use. So students, one day the father thought of a plan. He bought some fresh apples from the bazaar. He brought one rotten apple also. He said to his son, "Put these apples in the almirah." The boy did so. So dear students, one day what happened? The father thought of a plan. He bought some fresh apples from the bazaar. That means market. He brought one rotten apple also. Here rotten apples means a spoiled apple which is not good to eat. He said to his son, "Put these apples in the almirah." Almirah means cupboard. The boy did so. He listened to his father and what he did? He put all the apples into a cupboard. Next day the father asked him to bring the apples. The boy was sad to see the apples. They were all rotten. The father said, "One rotten apple has spoiled all the good ones." So what happened? The next day the father asked that boy to bring the apples. The boy saw the apples. They were all rotten. They were all spoiled. What did the father say? The father said to his son, "See, one rotten apple has spoiled all the good ones." Bad friends are like bad apples. They will spoil you. What did the father said to the son? He said that bad friends are like bad apples. They will spoil you. These words worked magic. Now, these words of the father, what did the father say to him? That he said, bad friends are like bad apples and they will spoil you. These words worked magic on the boy. The boy gave up bad company and became as good as before. So what happened, dear students, over here in the story? That after listening to his father, the boy gave up. He left all the bad friends and became as good as before. So students, after knowing the full story, we have to give a suitable title to the story and also a moral. So, what will be the moral of the story? Moral of the story will be better alone than in a bad company. And what will be the story name? Bad Company. So student, I hope you must have understood the story and liked the video. Students, I kindly request you to like and share the video and also subscribe the channel for further notification. Thank you.